Hello friends, I am back to you. Friends, as you know that to win the game you require some strategy, and nowadays the result season is very much on. So I have placed my large bets on 5-6 stocks actually where the results are yet to come. And the first stock that I have with me is Tech Mahindra. As you know, this Tech Mahindra is basically an IT company and is doing very well for the last about 6 quarters. And today, here it has around say 650, 858, 859. For the last 3 days, it is consolidating here. And the results of Tech Mahindra on due on 23rd of October. So that means in another 10 days time, somehow I have a feeling that this stock can easily go and give about 10% up to about 930 to 940. It has that capacity to deliver, and as such we have seen Infosys has done very well. The results actually are this Tech TCS has done very well, and we hope tomorrow even Infosys results also will be very good, because the IT sector is in it's a hot favorite. And never mind, I think that even Tech Mahindra can really go up. And if we take the fundamental check of if we take a technical check on this, then friends, you can really see it, what is the state of affairs right now, and if we have any opportunity. So friends, as you can see here, this signal line, blue line, is still up. So it has a capacity to go up in 10 days time. I think in about 2-3 days time the stock will start moving up. And this RSI is already showing a sort of oversold zone. But nevertheless, if you watch this area, oversold zone, the stock still has been moving up. It continues to be in the same area. So friends, I so think that this stock will not stop before 925 to 940 till the results are declared on 23rd. Biocon, actually friends, let me just check these Biocon results. Biocon results will also be on 22nd October. Now Biocon is the company which is making huge moves, and if you really see the way the stock is in the uptrend since 230, and you can see the way it is going up, it is not relenting at all. And the stock had a fall 2 days back, and now it is given a doji up to today's time. But what I think is by 22nd, this stock is likely to give about say 510, 520. I think so. It will be very easy for the stock to go up to that time. And even as far as the volume is concerned, right now the volume actually is not picking up, and you can be little careful. Or if you see, I have taken a good stakes in this. This blue line is still up. This will eventually go up. So friends, I think this is a good stock to buy at the present. But nevertheless, our understanding is that the moment there is this kind of cross between these moving averages of 10 and 15, we will sell. Or alternatively, the moment this turns, you can really catch it up somewhere around here and move out. So the stock is likely to go up. Friends, you can have your own view on this. This is just a magnificent company which is marketing its products, and also has strong presence in the Indian and international market in diabetic drugs. Then you have is the Global Spirit. You can see this gave a buy signal around 135 on 11/8, and today in 2 months time, it has the stock has gone more than double, and I think by the time the results will come, it will be somewhere around 450. Friends, as you know that for a very long time I am talking about the stocks. It is gaining strength and strength day by day. So far, actually, what has happened is that the result date is not declared. I checked up in the morning also. Nevertheless, it will go up, and the moment there is a cross at the top, friends, you can always quit the stock. You can see today up to now, that means 11 o'clock on 13th. Fine, we have sold roughly about 1 lakh shares. Otherwise, it is somewhere around 8 lakhs share, or sometimes more also it sells. So volume actually is always good, and let us see some of the whether as far as the technicals are concerned, where we stand. So this is in the oversold zone. This is very clear. This will remain in the oversold zone. This is also very clear. Blue line is little up. That gives you little hope that it will go up. Nevertheless, you can see for such a long time, it has been in the overbought zone, but the stock is still moving up. So my own assumption is that till the time the results come, it will be somewhere around 450 rupees. I think maybe by the 10th of November. So friends, these are my stocks, where I am betting very strongly. You can take your view. At the same time, friends, I will say that you can also check up with your broker as far as the stocks are concerned, and whether you should buy or not, because eventually the money and profit both actually are yours. So that's what I wanted to say, friends. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.